I used AI to copy this viral Faceless music channel that has racked up over 30 million subscribers and 14 billion views just by uploading music videos. And according to Social Blade, this channel is making well over $90,000 monthly and over $1 million yearly from these videos alone. But here's what nobody is telling you. This strategy is blowing up fast, and creators who will jump on it now are the ones who will dominate YouTube before the market gets flooded. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to create these videos using AI, so you can start building your own passive income machine. But before we start the tutorial, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and drop a comment below. Even just a single word is enough for me. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started before everyone else figures this out. The first thing that we need to do is to create a brand new YouTube channel name. For this, we will take help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and then go to this Google Doc. You can find the link in the video description below. Once you have access to the Google Doc, simply copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. After that, hit the generate button, and in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will give you dozens of channel names you can use for your brand new YouTube channel. I'll go with this name called Echo Republic. Now, once you've selected your channel name, it's time to create a logo for your channel. To create a logo, go back to the Google Doc and copy the second prompt from there. Once you've copied the prompt, simply paste it into ChatGPT. Here, you just have to change one thing. Simply put your channel name in the box that says insert your channel name. Once everything is set up, hit the generate button, and ChatGPT will start creating your logo. In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will give you a perfect looking logo like this. If you're unhappy with it, you can regenerate it as well. If you like it, simply click on the download button and download it to your device. Now, the next step is to create a channel description. Always remember that the description is the very first thing that tells YouTube about your channel and its priorities. So this is a crucial step. To create a channel description, go back to the Google Doc and copy the third prompt from there. Then paste that prompt into ChatGPT. Once you've done that, make sure to write your channel name in the place of insert your channel name and then hit the generate button. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate an SEO optimized description like this. Now, once you have everything ready that is required to create a new YouTube channel, it's time to create one. But I think all of you know how to create a new YouTube channel, so I won't waste your time on this. So without any delay, let's start creating our viral music video. The first thing we need to do is to create a song. To create a song, go back to the Google Doc and copy the fourth prompt from there. Then open a new tab in ChatGPT and paste that prompt into it. Hit the enter button, and ChatGPT will generate a perfect prompt that we can use to generate our song. Now, once we have the prompt for generating the song, we'll use this amazing AI tool to generate the song. You can find the link to this tool in the video description below. Once you've signed up for this tool, you'll see an interface like this. Here you can see you can generate images, videos, and even voiceovers for your YouTube channel. But to generate a song, simply click on the option that says Music Studio. Then you'll land on the Music Studio page, where you can see you can generate AI songs, AI music, and AI covers. But since we want to generate a song, so click on the option that says AI songs. After that, you will land on this page and you will see an interface like this. In this box, you have to paste your prompt. So go back to ChatGPT, copy the song generator prompt from there, and paste it here in this box. Then click on genre and select any genre you like. For example, you can go with pop, hip-hop, rock, and much more, but I'll go with random. Then you can turn on the enhancement option that will automatically improve your prompt and give you a perfect result. Once everything is set up, simply hit the generate button, and this tool will start generating the song for you. After a few moments, this tool will give you a song like this. If you're happy with it, great. But if you're not, you can regenerate the song as well. Once you've got the song you like, simply click on these three dots and download the song to your device. Now, since we've generated the song, it's time to convert that song into a viral music video. To convert this song into a viral video, we'll use this amazing AI tool. You can find the link to this tool in the video description. After signing up, you'll see an interface like this. To generate a music video, scroll down a bit until you find an option that says Music Video. Simply click on it and you'll land on this page. Here you can select what type of music video you want to create. You can create any type of music video here, whether it's a singing video, narrative video, visualizer, or lyrical video. I'll go with visualizer because this option will generate videos similar to the channel we're modeling. After that, you'll land on this page where you can either paste the link of the song or directly upload it. I will directly upload the song. Simply click on the option that says upload or drag and then upload your song. Once you've uploaded the song, it's time to select a style. You can select different styles here, but I will go with auto style. Then you have to select the aspect ratio, so make sure to choose 16:9 because it's a YouTube video. Then click on Advanced Options and turn on the option that says Match Video to Beat. Then make sure to turn off the Show Caption option because we don't need captions. Then select your image model. You can choose between Seedream 4, Flux Context, Nano Banana, GPT High, Flux Dev, and Quen Image. I'll go with Seedream 4. Then you have to select the resolution of your video, so make sure to select 1080p to get a high quality video. Now once everything is set up, Simply click Create Story, and this tool will start creating a music video for you. It will take a few minutes, so make sure to be patient. And boom, in a matter of a few moments, our viral music video is ready. Now, since our video is ready, simply click on the download button and download that video to your device. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI money-making tutorials like this one.